TikTok Lite switch account without losing progress. So hey guys, on this video on TikTok Lite to switch your account without losing progress, all you need to do right here to not lose your progress. But if you mean by progress like likes or whatsoever, that I suggest things that you like, at least follow your other account and then just send the videos that you like. For example, you like this video, you like that video, send it to the other account. Just by sending it to the other account, it's easy as this. For example, right there, like this video right here, click on the share button, then share it to your other account, click on send, and there you go. Now all you need to do with the other account, they can now just heart this or like it. Easy as that. There. So now switch account here, just click on three dots, settings, go down right here. You can either choose to log out, then you'll be able to switch an account. Easy as that. Click on log out and then switch account. There you go. That's how easy it is. Now to switch account right there. Anyways guys, there you go guys. There. And there. If you don't want to send it, you can just save it and make your profile private, then just like everything that you saved. There we go guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want more question, concern, stop it out question below guys. I'll answer as soon as possible guys. See you guys on the next one, and comment down below if for any more concerns or questions that you have. So there you guys, and thank you guys.